everyone, it's Amanda from Two Dove Nation, and I'm here with a little bit different video for you today. Whenever you're going through your day-to-day routine, you know, working, shuffling the kids around, you can get kind of indecisive about what you want to do for dinner. You want to go out, do you want to cook, do you want to make a simple meal, complicated meal, that sort of thing. So my husband and I decided to give HelloFresh a try. If you don't know what HelloFresh is, it is a meal subscription box where you can order from a preset menu for that week, and you can pick and choose what meals you want, and they will send you all of the ingredients. It comes packaged really nice in dry ice and insulated and everything, and they send you all the meals you pick for that week. And they come packaged in bags. These are all of your dry ingredients, and then it also comes with your proteins. It even includes a lot of your spices. What's really nice is online when you're picking out your meals, HelloFresh will even tell you what pans and everything you need. So it's really great for beginners. And we ordered a 1-week 4-meal subscription, and we got sesame beef stir fry, mushroom gravy chicken, pronto chicken white pizzas, and we also got a premium lobster ravioli and shrimp. The premium is usually extra. It costs anywhere between $3 to $5 extra per person. Just because it's seafood probably is why they charged you a little bit extra. So we're gonna cook the premium one today, and I'm gonna get started. So with every meal you get a recipe card and a nice picture showing you what your meal is supposed to look like. And on the back it has step-by-step instructions. It even has it timed out, so all of your ingredients will be done at the same time for your meal. I'm going to show you what's in our bag for the lobster ravioli. First off, we've got the ravioli, and I've already got water boiling behind me because it's kind of takes a little bit in our boiler, and the shrimp, and let's see what's in the bag. Oh no, the tomatoes spilled out. Okay. Tomatoes, which there's some left in the bag. They even give you 2 cloves of garlic. Focus, there we go. Tarragon, and 2 packets of sour cream to make your sauce creamy. I'm gonna wash the produce and get started.
That's freedom.
Step 1, as I throw all of these out, is to do all this. Have them. So this is my first subscription box, and I'm kind of excited. I've wanted to try HelloFresh, and it's not that I don't know how to cook. I can cook. It's just sometimes I don't always have all the ingredients, or I'm just not wanting to try to decide and then try to find all the stuff to cook what I want. It's kind of nice just to have a limited selection and say, here, I want this, and then here's all your ingredients to cook it. Instead of chopping up the garlic, I have a little grater. I'm gonna grate up grate up the garlic on, because I don't have a garlic press, because I usually have chopped garlic or grated up. It's easier, makes it smaller, finer. Or if you're cooking without the subscription box, you get the chopped up garlic that you can get in the produce section. Then you don't have to worry about chopping it. I'm kind of reading from it. It says to pick tarragon leaves from the stems and chop until you have 1 tablespoon. So here we go. pick, pick, pick. Because this stem right here, you do not want. It's tough and woody. Now we're gonna go to the stove.
A place to gather your troops under one roof. Your roof. A place.
Butter is better. So the butter's starting to melt, and we're gonna put in the garlic first. Now I'm gonna add the tomatoes. And you only have to cook the tomatoes 2 to 3 minutes according to the instructions. I'm going to add some of the tarragon, leave a little bit for garnish in here, and cook it for just another minute or so. Yummy! We're gonna add the ravioli. All right, and set the timer for 4 minutes. All right, so now I'm gonna add the shrimp. And you don't want to overcook your shrimp because they'll get all rubbery. So they only cook for like 2-3 minutes until they're just turning pink. So whenever you're cooking pasta, you always want to reserve some of the pasta water, because it makes it a little creamier and the pasta doesn't stick together. All right, so we're gonna dump the pasta in the strainer. So now we're gonna make the cream sauce, and you add another tablespoon of butter, reserved pasta water, and the sour cream. Now I know this has dairy and shrimp and everything, and HelloFresh has vegetarian options and heart healthy options. And then remember, you reserve some of that tarragon. And voila! So I just got done, finished cooking this meal, and I'm gonna taste my first bite. I'm gonna dig in for a shrimp. Get some of this sauce. So let's try a little bit of ravioli. All right, here we go. Okay, that's good. It was actually really delicious. It was simple to make, and it didn't really take any time at all. The longest thing took was to boil the water. It was just enough for 2 people. I'm full. I didn't want anything else. I was afraid it might not be quite enough, but it really was. You could probably even do like 2 adults and a small child that doesn't eat a lot, but that would be pushing it a little bit. They really portion it out just right. Be a part of the Dove Nation and hit that subscribe button. This is Amanda reminding you to keep soaring to the end.